Try to see if I could get you guys a quick of the hotel. Beautiful. Alright, so guys, yeah, so when you get here, you park your car there and then you just validate your ticket. So you keep the ticket till you return back. Amazing. The service seamless. This is Terminal 4, Hilton. Amazing hotel. Look at the lounge. Very, very beautiful. They have a massive entrance, so you don't have any problem at all. This is their reception. You can sit here. There's massive chairs. Look at how comfy the chairs look like. Big chairs.
That's bouncy. I am going to sleep. Very, very nice.
We book for one night with 15 days car park. It costs almost 400 quid, but you can go to their website. If you have Hilton owners, you might probably get some discounts. But yeah, I'll take you guys around the hotel to see what amenities they have. I brought my gym clothes, so I'll see if I can use the gym tonight. So this is the reception. So hello everyone. So we're in Hilton Heathrow Terminal 4. I'm in a hotel. I'm on the 3rd floor. I want to go downstairs to show you guys what they have here. So come along. Let's go explore And then when you turn on your right, they have this amazing restaurant here. You can see people are eating there. Beautiful. What I want to do is I want to show you guys different side of the restaurant, so we can see it's a massive restaurant. They also have an outdoor, which I'll probably go there to see if I can show you guys. Yeah, beautiful, isn't it, right? And then this is the reception. Look how gorgeous the reception look like. Is that not beautiful, guys? Now there's two lifts. These lifts are quite big. They actually take trolleys. So if you have trolley, if you have a lot of luggages, you can definitely get your luggages into this lift. So I think the lift is here. All right. This is very, very nice. Like, there's a lot of tables here. You can have coffee, you can have a drink. I don't know, it's like you can just sit here, enjoy the view. Beautiful place. I don't know what maybe it's like a meeting place. This is actually really, really nice. I don't know, they call it the beach. I believe you have to walk outside there to get to the beach. Now I'm on the beach at the moment. Beautiful, you know. Massive table here. You can just sit here, enjoy a glass of beer. Oh, I could see the plane taking off. Beautiful. There's actually proper white sand. So they have these massive tables here. And then down here, this is where the beach is. This is actually white sand. I don't know where they got the sand from. It's like a proper beach sand. Look at that. It's beautiful. Now, when you enter the beach, they actually have like chairs that you can sit, you know. No swimming or paddling here. This is just so beautiful. You can just sit here and enjoy the gorgeous view of this amazing hotel. What you can hear behind is the planes taking off. I'll try to see if I could get you guys a quick view. So this is the Hilton. This is the forecourt of the Hilton there. And behind me here, it's like they have garden here. I can see tomato here. It's beautiful tomato. I believe they grow their vegetable, which is really, really nice. I'm very, very pleased to be here. I'm very, very happy to be here. I believe that's the beehive where they have the bee. Wow, this is gorgeous, guys. If you know what's the name of this plant, please do let me know. I can see tomato here. These are very beautiful tomatoes. Look at them. Very, very nice. Nice tomatoes. So beautiful. I just want to get a little bit closer to see what else they have here. These are so nice. There's a lot of tomato here. So these tomatoes are used for preparation at the beautiful restaurants. I just saw Qatar Airways take off. Wow. Then I can see some chilies, right? These are pepper ground for preparation of food. You can see them. These are so beautiful. This is really, really nice, guys. I can't believe I'm actually here, like filming, showing you guys all these yummy vegetables. Look at how beautiful that one look. Literally here outside the hotel. See the stairs is by the room 122. So lift to Half Club. Alright. See the lift is out of order. Very nice gym, very well equipped gym. The best way to get to the gym is go to the main restaurant, take the stairs down, then you see the Concord. Then you walk towards this door. So once you push, it will allow you to get into the gym. There's coffee machines here, but if you want to use the reception, is by the room 112. I believe you have to take the stairs down. So now what we need to do is, once you come out of the hotel, you're literally outside. You can see view of planes also here, and this is the entrance of the hotel. Beautiful. There's a buggy there that can transport you if you have a lot of luggages. And then this is the car park. This is the Hilton car park. Amazing car park, right? And this is how much are you paying. Right, so now to walk to Terminal 4 from the hotel reception, you walk straight down here. Let me actually walk so we can show you, the Terminal 4. If you see the sign of the Terminal 4 is literally here. So can you see that? Once you walk down here, you're literally walking into the airport. I want to see if I could do a quick walk to take you inside the terminal. Let's speed it up. Well, that's amazing. It took about 4 minutes to get to the terminal. Then once you're in the terminal, the boats are all here. These are all the check-in desk. Yeah, that's the Hotel Hilton for you guys. Amazing.